Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some Randy Sun waterproof gloves, and this is what the little information looks like, but I'll show you guys what they are here. It looks like they're going to be made of nylon, polyester, elastane, metallic yarn. I don't know. Let's see how these look. So this is what they look like. These are made by Randy Sun, so these are, they're going to be good quality and good waterproofness. So let's try this on here. And this is it. I'm not sure what size I have. I don't even know if it comes in sizes. Oh, medium. So medium is what I have. So, and I have a fairly medium-sized hand. And it's got good rubber grip on there. You can see that. So this would be good if you're wanting to play and have some snowball fights and things like that in the winter time. You've got these here. These would be good for driving too because they have some of that slick stuff on there. I think it's got that little metallic yarn going on that tip, so that means you can probably still control your phone with it. I don't know, it'll end up stopping the phone, but you get the idea. And this is, you got two of them, and they look good. They say Randy Sun on there. I like that font. It's almost a Disney-ish font, but really cool. I like these. They're comfortable, they're good, easy to put on, take off. I don't think they're going to be terribly breathable since they're waterproof, but they do feel good. It's got fabric on the inside and out, so it is comfortable. So I'm going to say these are really nice, and you get the little bag with it as well. What's inside of it here? Just your instructions, I guess. So you can use it for biking and whatnot. Be good to ride when I'm biking in the rain. Breathable, windproof, and seamless. Fits perfectly. Yeah, so seems good to me. I like it. Thumbs up.